Hello, my name is Sean Nario, and this is my submission for Video Exam 2, Prompt 2. My eukaryotic organism for this presentation is Pikachu from the show Pokemon. The alleles I've chosen for the purposes of this video exam are outlined at the top, here, with big R, red, being dominant to little r, orange-red cheek circles, big B, 2 backlines, being dominant to little b, 3 backlines, and big E, normal ear tip, being dominant to little e, short ear tips. For the initial cross, I chose a pure breeding red cheek, 2 backline, short ear tip Pikachu, and a pure breeding orange cheek, 3 backline, normal ear tip Pikachu. The F1 individual is seen here with all the traits depicted above the appropriate loci. On this page, I've shown a test cross between the individual of the last slide with a pure breeding homozygous recessive individual. The numbers on the table below are the possible gamete combinations observed, along with the phenotypes of each. You can pause the video here and see for yourself. On this page, I have all the possible Pikachu phenotypes as a result of the test cross on the previous page. The genotypes of each possible combination can be found within each matching box, along with a written breakdown of the phenotype. The percentages of probability are located at the top right of each box as well. Here you can pause again, see for yourself. And onto the calculations. I've shown all the work for each scenario that could have taken place, but for the purposes of this exam, I'm only going to be reviewing DCO and SCO1 calculations. To calculate DCO, I multiplied the R1 measurement 0.249 by the R2 measurement 0.173 and the C value 0.5969, keeping in mind that the distances between loci are directly proportional to the probability of a crossover happening at that spot. I then took that number 0.0257 and divided it in half to get the probability of a specific DCO gamete, which turned out to be 1.285% for each of the 2 gametes in the double crossover event to occur. To calculate the SCO1, I subtracted the DCO measurement from the last calculation, 0.257, from the R1 measurement, 0.249. I did this to eliminate the crossover at the second locus from this calculation and got 0.2233. I then took that number and divided it by 2 to get the probability of a specific SCO1 gamete, which turned out to be 11.165% for each of the 2 gametes in the single crossover event in the R1 to occur. This concludes my submission for Video Exam 2. Thank you.